And guys, one question for this. And 3 days ago, my client asked us, oh guys, I have a question about nano rings because my nano ring is fallen down from the keratin. My metal is broken. But guys, I have put new for you at my factory. We have a very special technique for nano ring. With our experience in this product, we have a technique to help the metal will be broken or never fallen down, and it helps us. Yes, it helps us to give us a very perfect looking for the nano rings. And you can see in my photo. When I can return to my factory, I will make detailed video for you so you can see that our technique will give a very perfect and useful using for your nano ring. And guys, if you have any question, feel free to ask me, or you can send me your question, send me your contacts. I will contact and help you to give a lot of useful methods. And also any type of hairdressing you want, you can send me. Yes, send me your question. I am happy to together we will make clear on the problem or on the request you want. And now guys, thank you a lot for coming with my style and take care for you. See you.